Hello and welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is IMO test paper 2018 for class 2 set A. New users subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Let's start the video with our first question. Find the missing number if the same rule is followed in all the three figures. Now three figures are given and same rule is followed in all the three figures. So identify the rule and find the missing number in figure 3. Next question. Find the odd one out. Now see the options A, B, C and D and find the odd one out. Next question. If every Sunday is a holiday and Tarun was on leave on all Mondays and all Wednesdays of April, then total number of days Tarun did not go to office is. Now every Sunday is a holiday and he was on leave on all Mondays and all Wednesdays. Now you have to calculate the total number of days Tarun did not go to office. So the calendar is given on the right side. Cross all Sundays, Mondays and Wednesdays and count how many days he did not go to office. Question 4th. Pencil dash is second to the left of third pencil from the right hand. Now see the figure. You have to find second to the left of third pencil from the right hand. Now see the hint. First you have to mark the right and left end and then mark the third pencil from the right end. Now mark second pencil on the left of third pencil, which is the required pencil. Next question. If candle is called lamp, lamp is called CFL and CFL is called bulb, then what will you blow out at the time of your birthday celebration? Question 8. How many groups of 2 footballs each can be formed from the given footballs? How many groups of 2 footballs can be formed from the given footballs? Now see the option and choose the correct answer. Question 7. Dash is the longest ice cream stick and dash is the shortest ice cream stick. Now 4 ice cream sticks S, R, Q, P is given. You have to find the length of all the sticks and then choose which is the longest and which is the shortest. Question 8. There are dash rectangles and dash circles in the given figure. Now see the figure carefully. You have to count the number of rectangles and number of circles in the given figure. It's an easy one. Choose your answer correctly. Question 9. Which of the following figures is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? Now see the given figure and see the options. Which option is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts? Question 10th. If Diwali is related to crackers in some way, then in the same way Holi is related to. It's an easy one. Choose your correct answer. Question 11th. What is the height of the tree in meter shown here? Now see the figure. You have to calculate the height of the tree. A scale is given. According to a scale, calculate the height of the tree. Next question. 317 more than 218 is. 317 more than 218 is. See the options and choose the correct answer. Question 13. Which of the following shapes have no curved lines? Now see the figure on the right side. P, Q, R, S, T, U are some shapes given in the figure. So which shape have no curved lines? Question 14th. Which of the following options correctly shows increasing order of the given set of numbers? So see the figure, some set of number is given. You have to choose the option which correctly shows increasing order of the given set of numbers. Increasing order. Next question. Select the subtraction sentence that shows the given condition. Number of balls with even numbers subtracted from the total number of balls is equal to the number of balls with odd numbers. Now see the options. You have to choose a sentence which shows number of balls with even numbers subtracted from total number of balls is equal to number of ball with odd numbers. So calculate number of balls with even numbers, calculate total number of balls and calculate number of balls with odd numbers and choose the correct subtraction sentence. Question 16th. I am an odd number. I am more than 202 plus 7 but less than 222 minus 9. Who am I? So it's an odd number which lies between these two given equations. So first solve the equations and choose which odd number lie between these two equations. Question 17th. Identify the number. The digit at hundreds place is same as that at ones place. So digit at hundreds and ones place is same. The digit at tens place is the largest one digit number. So at tens place the digit is largest one digit number. The place value of hundreds place digit is 32 tens more than 480. So place value of hundreds place digit is 32 tens more than 480. Now see the options. When we apply the first condition on the options, that is the digit at hundreds and ones place is same, options A and C are discarded here. So from B and D you have to choose the answer. Now apply the second condition on B and D. The digit at tens place is the largest one digit number. So which option has tens digit as largest one digit number, tens place. So you will get the answer here only. Now question number 18th. If 3 rose plus sunflower equals to 50, sunflower plus marigold equals to 40, and marigold equals to 20, then find the value of rose. So marigold value is given. You can substitute the value in equation second. You will get the value of sunflower, and substitute the value of sunflower in equation 1. You will get the value of rose. Now next question 19 to 20. The given pictograph shows number of books sold by a leading bookstore in 4 different months. Study the graph and answer the following question. Now books sold in 4 months is given. So how many books were sold in 4 months altogether? Next is how many more books were sold in January than in February? How many more books were sold in January than in February? Now read the graph and answer the questions. 21st. Mrs. Rai saved 258 to buy a calculator. How much more amount does she need to buy the given calculator? Now see the price of given calculator. She saved 258 rupees. So how much more amount she need to buy the given calculator? Next question. Ramya sold 2 dozen bananas out of 30 bananas, and Riya sold 3 dozen bananas out of 40 bananas. So number of bananas left with them altogether is, so calculate first how many bananas left with Ramya and Riya, and then calculate how many bananas left with them altogether. Question 23. Ankur has the given quantity of paint. If Anish has 21 liter of paint more than Ankur, then total quantity of paint they have altogether is, now quantity of paint that Ankur has is given in the figure, and Anish has 21 liter of paint more than Ankur. Now calculate total quantity of paint they have altogether. Question 24. A bus covers 77 km. A car covers 54 km with the same quantity of fuel. Which covers less distance and by how much? So bus covers 77 km, car covers 54 km with same quantity of fuel. So which covers less distance and by how much? Question 25. Priyanka is trying to make a cube using straws and balls of clay. She used straws for making edges and clay balls for making corners. How many straws and balls of clay will she need? So Priyanka is trying to make a cube using straws and balls of clay. She uses straw for making edges and clay balls for making corners. So how many straws and balls of clay will she need? For that you should know how many corners and edges a cube has. Question 26. The starting time and ending time of Ramesh's office is shown here. The duration for which he works in the office is, now starting time of the office and ending time of the office is given. You have to calculate the total duration of the work. Question 27. Sia has this much kites and balloons. If she gives 2 kites and 2 balloons to each of her 3 friends, then dash will be left with her. Now calculate the kites and balloon that Sia has. From these kites and balloons, she gave 2 kites and 2 balloons to each of her 3 friends. Now dash will be left with her. Question 28. Rupa bought a pumpkin and a pineapple as shown. What is the total weight of 3 such pumpkins and 2 such pineapples? So weight of 1 pineapple and 1 pumpkin is given. You have to calculate the total weight of 3 such pumpkins and 2 such pineapples. Question 29. A shopkeeper sells given tray of eggs in one day. If he sells same number of eggs every day, then he will sell 72 eggs in how many days? So 3 trays of eggs are given. He sell these tray of eggs in one day, and same number of eggs he sell every day. So in how many days he will sell 72 eggs? So calculate the eggs in 1 day and then calculate the number of days in which he will sell 72 eggs. Next question. The given table shows the price of 2 types of books in 4 different bookstores. Bookstore dash will sell a storybook and a drawing book together for maximum amount. Now see the given table. So 2 different types of book, that is storybook and drawing book, are sold in 4 different bookstores PQRS. Now which bookstore will sell a storybook and a drawing book for maximum amount? Question 31. Match the figures given in column 1 with their corresponding missing parts given in column 2 and select the correct options. Now some figures are given in column 1 and their missing parts are given in column 2. You have to choose the correct missing part of the figures given in column 1. Question 32. Aman has to travel from his house to the market. Which of the following will be the shortest route? So Aman is traveling from his house to the market. You have to calculate the shortest route given in options A, B, C and D. Question 33. Sum of numbers on which 2 owls is greater than 650 but less than 700. Now some numbers are given on owls P, Q and R. The sum of numbers on which 2 owls is greater than 650 but less than 700. Next question. Study the timings of daily activities of Payal as shown in the table and fill in the blanks. Activities that last for 1 hour in total are P and Q. The activity that lasted for 15 minutes only is R. Now activities and time for the activities is given in the table. Now Question is activities that last for 1 hour in total are P and Q. So P and Q are the activities that last for total 1 hour. So which are the activities P and Q? And the activities that lasted for 15 minutes is R. So which is R? Which activity lasted for 15 minutes? See from the table which are the activities P, Q and R. Question 35th. Kunal went for shopping and bought one handbag, two trousers, one cap. He gave one 100 note and two 200 notes to the shopkeeper. How much amount of money will he receive back? Now price of the items are given in the figure. So Kunal bought one handbag, two trousers and one cap. And he gave one 100 rupee note and two 200 rupee notes to the shopkeeper. So how much amount of money will he receive back? Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, please like, share and subscribe.